At 70 years old, more. You got married by 16 years, so you have till 70, no? 54 years I put on one, and now you want to. You made yourself a fool. No, put it on this one. Okay, we'll be on this side. I made it on this side. No, I see you right on this. Who became the fool? Whoever argues is the fool. But when a person gives in, this is the secret of Kriyas Yamsuf. Now, every day we say Oz Yoshir. Oz Yoshir is the shira when they sing, when they went to the Yamsuf, he sings shira Moshe. Zohar says, when a person comes, they come every day by the shira, and they say shira, Oz Yoshir, and they were mechavim you. No? Concentrate. That I'm now in a position that I see for myself from the ocean back my enemies and the sides are scopes and snakes. Where shall go? I'm only to Hashem and we sing Shira. The Meichel you all the ways. Therefore, every day when you say, when the davening, Oz Yoshir, Mechavim, I'm staying now in Kriyas Yamsuf, by Kriyas Yamsuf, and you be Mechavim. This, that I'm now giving over myself to Hashem, Hashem will give you all the sins. Therefore, the Rebbe says, Sefer HaMidas, Ois Emuna, Simen Lamed Gimel, Al Ve'emuna, HaKadosh Baruch Hu, Yistaklam Al Kol V'Nesecha. If a person has faith in Hashem, Hashem will give you everything. To be very faithful. As is we speaking about davening. Davening, what's davening? Say Reb Chaim Volozhiner, very, very great. I never saw him learning Mussar. Never saw him learning Mussar. Only Gemara, Rambam, Halacha, never puts in his whole mind Gemara, Rambam, Halacha, and they ask him once, why the Rebbe don't learn Mussar? He said, I'm learning Mussar. I will never see. And the Rebbe learns Mussar. He says, by me, Mussar is the 3 tefillas. 3 Shacharit, Mincha, Arvit. This is the Mussar. Rebbe explains, it says, when I'm davening and say, Ma Toiv Alecho, Yaakov, Mishkanesecha, Yisrael, what is the meaning of that? Vani Berov Chazdecho, Obe Besecho, Eshtachem Alecho, Bachecho Besecho, Hashem Avti Moim Nesecho, Akom Mishkan Kodecho. If a person knows Peres HaMidas, what? Explanation of the words, you see that when I say Hashem, 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 Hashem is here. This is the Mussar. What's Mussar? To bring into you that Hashem is here. So the tefillas, when it says every broche, Baruch Ata Hashem, Bokeach Ivreim, to open eyes. Who is, what am I saying? I'm praying to Hashem. I thank you that you gave me eyes, you thank you gave me clothes. This is the biggest Mussar. Or it says Shemoneh Esrei, at the point of the Das, you give a person seichel, give me also seichel. Oh, I want to come back to you, Ashevena Vidal Seichel Seichel, Ukavei Mokena with the seichel, bring me close to you. This is the Mussar. Therefore, a person has to learn the meaning of the words. Therefore, the Rebbe says, when a person knows good Lashon Kodesh, he understands what he's saying. Now, today, Baruch Hashem, you could have in English all the explanation of the davening, you have it in English. It's a big thing. A person learns the explanation of the words, then he should know what are they saying. No, he wants to learn Gemara. First, learn Siddur. A little child, the first thing they teach him, the Siddur. This is the First thing when a person gets back to tshuva, first learn the meaning of the words what you're davening, you should understand what you're saying. Now, when you understand what you're saying, pray to Hashem, each thing you ask Hashem. You say, Krishma, Shema Yisrael, Avay Lekein Avay Echad, that Hashem you won, and nobody is without you, no such a thing. And I love you, and I'm afraid of you, and all the mitzvahs, tzitzis, tefillin. Now, when you learn the explanation, this is the biggest mussar. Now, when a person davens Shachris, Mincha, Arvis, and he understands the words, so the Rebbe says, Lakuta Maran, Chelik Aleph, Siman, Nun, that's the biggest pleasure when I pray to Hashem, and I know what I'm saying. This brings you so close to Hashem that you don't want to get away from davening. I want to daven more. But the minute a person don't understand what they're saying, it's very hard for him. I don't need to see the skips. Korbanos not saying, you start from Ashrei, he says Yishtaba, he says Shemnesra. When a person knows what the Korbanos is, he knows the meaning, the praying is the biggest pleasure. When a person prays to Hashem, is the biggest pleasure could be. It's like when a person is now in Gan Eden already. What would be in Gan Eden? What do you think would be Gan Eden? A person will be so close to Hashem, if will feel Hashem, Hashem is here, Hashem loves me, and I love Hashem, I don't want nothing. Then a person's mind is pure, and a person gets close to Hashem. It's this, says the Zohar, whatever will say every day, Oz Yoshir, Bekavone, therefore a person should learn the meaning of Oz Yoshir. What's the even said in Chris Yamsel, then he is the luckiest person, and Hashem will forgive him. Now, finally we have in this week's parsha that even asked Hashem why we went out to Mitzrayim. Mitzrayim we had no food to eat, now we have no food. Mitzrayim we had food, like a concentration camp. A normal person wants to go back to concentration camp, finally he got freed. But the Americans, but the Russians got freed in concentration. A normal human being wants to go back to concentration camp. It was Dosan Rabinu. The two was enemies for Moshe Rabbeinu, and they stopped. We have no water, and we had no food. The Mitzrayim was water and food. Mitzrayim, you can't. From 5 o'clock in the morning till 10, 11 o'clock at night, you have to work. And the suffer, now you want to come back, so we have no, Hashem gave more. But go out in the morning, you will find your food. The Zal said was 3 categories of people. Tzaddikim, Hashem said they will give me food. They take the time, they daven, and then tefillin, tzitzit, and daven, and they learn. Then I'm ready to eat. I find my food and by the door. Whoever didn't have such a faith, I'll go out a little bit far. You find whoever was less faith, he went very, very far. Finally, he filled up sack with mon. He came back. Mon was such a thing that everybody got his portion. You couldn't fill up more than you could eat for this day. So I'm working for nothing. Yeah, you work for nothing. When it comes to the end of the day, nothing there. So mon, we have now also mon.